Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cool glow effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. This works best on objects, text, or even people if you want a neon-style glow. Now we need to separate the object from the background. Use the quick selection tool from the toolbar on the left. Click and drag around the object to select it. If needed, refine your selection using Alt and Shift. Once the object is selected, press Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to create a new layer with just the selected object. Now, before we add the outer glow effect, I'm gonna hide the first layer and create a new background layer, and I'm gonna set the color to black. This is gonna make it easier for us to work on adjusting the glow. With your object layer selected, go to the Layers panel and click on the FX icon at the bottom, then select Outer Glow. A settings window will pop up. Adjust the following: blend mode, set it to screen, opacity, increase it to around 75%. Color, pick the glow color you want. Spread, adjust it to control how soft or hard the glow appears. Size, increase it to make the glow more visible. Click OK once you're happy with how it looks. And that's it, you've successfully created a glow effect in Photoshop. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.